Bonjour, ça va? Okay.
Subscribe to Showman channel. Bonjour, hello and welcome back to my channel everyone. Hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to talk about the current situation in France, because I am currently in France in a city called Salange, and here the situation is like it's like a ghost town and very few cars, as you can see. This used to be a full lane with all the cars, but now it's only one or two cars. I have not gone to the market after the lockdown. This is the first time I am going to the market after the lockdown. So I want to see what necessary steps they took to prevent the virus from spreading. So this is my friend who is going to the market with me. So, parlez hello.
Hello, hello.
Are you all my personal dreams? Everything you know is in your mind.
So, in France, we are given this attestation. You can look for yourself. This paper. Whenever we go out, we have to carry this paper. Each time we have to take a new paper and give the date and the place where we are going and our name, and we have to mark what we are going to do. Like there are options, like you can go to market, so you have to take option like you're going to the market, or you can select the sports column that you are going for some activity like running or jogging or cycling, or you can go with your dog for a walk. So it depends, but this paper is very important, and you have to carry a like ID proof for safety. And if you are caught without the paper, here the police are very strict and there is a huge fine on that if you are not carrying this. In the market I saw everyone was wearing gloves and masks, and everyone means the workers, and the customers generally were maintaining a 1 meter distance from each customer, respecting everyone's boundary. France, neighboring country, that is Italy, has seen the effects of corona and how devastating it can be. So they are taking pretty good actions to prevent corona from spreading. And as an Indian, I am glad that India is also taking steps to prevent this corona from spreading. If you are not a health worker or a suspect, you can easily make a mask at home by using just your handkerchief and 2 elastic bands, and I will show you how. So you need to take your clean handkerchief and open it. Like this, and to the middle you have to do one fold, and this. Now you have to take rubber bands and insert it just here, and this one too, and then fold and insert this into this so that it locks, and your mask is ready. This is enough for you to cover your face, I mean your mouth and nose properly, and you can see it's just like a mask. If you have found this video informative, do press the like button and share it to your friends if you have liked the mask idea. And with that said, guys, see you in the next vlog. Till then, bye. And Fabrice?
Subscription.
Subscribe, Showman. Bye.
All I do is hustle. Got money in my belly. All I do is hustle.